First, for safety, disconnect the battery and ensure the parking brake is engaged. Access the taillight by removing the trunk liner to expose the securing screws. Also, check underneath the bumper for any additional fasteners. Gently pry the taillight assembly away from the body to access the wiring harnesses. Unplug the electrical connector and any retaining clips or nuts. Finally, pull the taillight assembly out. Begin by connecting the new LED taillight unit. Plug in the wiring harness and ensure the unit is dock compliant to meet safety standards. Secure the LED assembly using the provided fasteners. Use a torque wrench to tighten bolts to 5 to 7 foot-pounds to ensure proper fit without damage. Reassemble the trunk liner by snapping it back into place, ensuring all clips are secure. Before fully closing everything, test the lights by turning on the vehicle and activating the brake pedal to verify both tail and brake lights function correctly. Connect an OBD2 scanner to the vehicle's diagnostic port and clear any error codes that may have been triggered during the installation. Confirm proper polarity of the wiring connections to prevent damaging the LEDs. Remember that LED bulbs typically consume 5 to 10 watts compared to 20 watts for halogen bulbs.